We got our first Thrive box in. I'm familiar with Thrive. It is a market, a health food market that will ship to you. We tried it for the first time. Some organic granola.
Oh yeah, Daddy can use that for our milkshake.
Some applesauce.
Oh.
Toothpaste for the boys. Oh, we got sprinkles. So
Yeah.
these sprinkles, Atticus has been asking for sprinkles on his pancakes and waffles when we make them. And these are dye-free and naturally colored, non-GMO, all that good stuff. So I went ahead and ordered a couple of those. And then I got a big case of coconut water because you can make healthy Gatorade, essentially. Some popsicles. And, because I signed up, they had a offer, and so I got like $60 worth of free stuff. One of them was this cookbook. Almond butter came with that free. We got some peanut butter, part of the $60 free gift. Some pasta. Jovial, I really like Jovial brand. We got another thing of peanut butter.
Wow, you got a lot of peanut butter.
These are those chocolate chips that I showed y'all when I made those cottage cheese chocolate chip cookies. Got a bunch of them. Here's our second box. Got some organic jelly. I got a bunch of these to stock up on.
Did you get all strawberries? What of them?
Part of our free gift, G floor cleaner, sure detergent, baking powder.
We got a lot of stuff.
Lots of neat stuff. Granola, sprinkles.
Okay.
The recipes in there. Oh,
Mama.
that looks good.